In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable virtual reality services on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dot icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then on the right underneath Privacy and Security, you want to select Site Settings. And now you want to go down underneath Additional Permissions to expand that. And you want to go and select the virtual reality item in here, select that, and then enable sites can ask to use virtual reality devices and data, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.